This here for the I am need download driver XP PageWide. This here is serial and you type the driver download and before I insert the official website. I am like download for the official website. The official website not a virus and first download update driver and easy to download. This here for the official website support.xp.com and click here and please write the finish and please write the loading file. Shows a different system. Shows a different system. This here for the system operation for the Windows. Looking for the Windows for the Mac and for the uh, Linux driver. I'm sure for you three system operation version. You look in the Linux driver. You look in the version. If you need to load, you click change. This here for the driver download. If you need download lead more driver, just a different system again. This here for the Mac driver, Mac driver. This here for the version Mac 12 left and Mac 11, Mac 11 driver, Mac 8 driver. This here for operating system out for the Mac. This video you need to load driver Windows and ensure for you for the system on Mac 12. Click here, click change. This here for the driver is easy to install, easy install install XP easy start for the driver. If you need to load, you click here, you look in the release update, new release update, and you get release update. This here for version. You look in system operation, make sure left and XP easy start to the new way to just set up your printer and your for Mac printing. XP Easy Star will locate and install a letter install the letters software for your printer. Okay, this here for the shells of different system again. This here for the Linux. This here for the Windows. I am need to download for the Windows 11 and click here the for system operation for version. This here for Windows 11, Windows 8, Windows 9, .1, Windows 9, Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows XP, Windows Server support full system version, full system operation for the Windows version the support the software the driver. This video you need to look for Windows 11. Click here for the Windows 11. Click change and driver product setup software. This here for the recommended to driver. This here for XP full serial. XP this here serial full software and PCL 6 driver and this here for the field field solution software include everything includes the driver installation and this here for the basic driver basic driver tutorial this here for installation software and full basics driver support and this here for the software support full basics and you look at the release update new release update this here for you need to log you click here you click information you click here this here for information HP easy start a profit grid setup and driver support and driver for your XP printer you look in the release update system information and I recommend recommended for you download here. This here for the recommend your operating system official website and uh, this here for everything include everything the driver you include the Wi-Fi include the printer include the scanner to the printer if you need to load you click here bundle load is what website loading Please wait for the driver to download. If you need install driver for your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB driver to laptop or PC. You put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer and you please wait to finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you click here button, you click open and double click the file the driver file driver you download. If you need question, comment below. If you need link download below description. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my video. Share my channel.